Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 11, Session 41, Acids, Bases, and pH. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to describe acids, bases, and the pH scale. Listen for these key terms: acid, base, hydronium, hydroxide, pH. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Acids and bases can be described in several models. In introductory chemistry, acids increase H3O+ in water, while bases increase OH- or accept H+. The pH scale describes acidity. When you feel stuck, ask, "What did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it?" The core model is this. The pH scale is logarithmic. A change of 1 pH unit means a tenfold change in hydronium ion concentration. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Interpreting pH. A solution with pH 3 is more acidic than a solution with pH 5. Because pH is logarithmic, pH 3 has 100 times the hydronium concentration of pH 5. The numbers feel close, but chemically they represent a large difference. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. Indicators change color over specific pH ranges. Litmus, for example, helps classify acidic and basic solutions, but pH paper or a pH probe gives more detailed information. Now answer this self-check. Is pH 2 acidic or basic? A strong answer should include acidic. Hint: low pH values are acidic. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Compare pH 4 and pH 6 in acidity. Task 2. Explain what an indicator does. Task 3. Write one acid property and one base property. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.